The pros of a basic thermostat like I have at home is you just set it and you forget about it. There's no frills to go along with it. Wherever you set it, it's going to stay unless you have an issue. The cons of that is you don't have, like myself at home, I would like to wake up with it 68 degrees, but then it to heat up at 70 degrees. But I have to go manually do that every morning and risk waking everybody up walking through the hallway. With a smart thermostat, I could sleep at 65 degrees overnight, and then I could have it heat up to 70 at about 6 a.m. And by the time everybody else is getting up and around, it would be nice and warm for them. A lot of homeowners will ask if a smart thermostat can help with their utility bills. It can help. How significantly, I don't quite know. I know for me, you don't want a big swing in your temperature. You don't want to set it down to 62 and then expect it to catch up to 70 when you want it to be warm and let that be efficient, because you're going to have such a long run time.